Hi guys, it's me Sayani and you're watching New Day and New Style. So today me and my mom were planning to go to Kingston for my mom's shopping for India. So I did mine already. My mom is left to do. So we will go to Kingston because there are a lot of variety of things to choose from. I'm gonna help her, so I'm gonna go with her. So I'm ready. I have my earrings on, I did my makeup, I have my outfit, and we will go and I will just shoot the vlog today. Hope you like it. So this is my outfit for today. So this is my mom's outfit. She brought this today from New Look, from Kingston. You are such a beauty queen.
Thank you. I like this color.
You do? So today's vlog was short because I did not record at all today. Not very much, but we went to a lot of shops. I couldn't record because I was saving my battery in my phone. I didn't bring my charger with me that time. I could have got my charger, but I forgot because I was in rush. But we all had a lot of fun today. Me and my mom, she did the most of the shopping. I just got a journal book because I'm finished with one of my journal books. So I brought that and a little stamp. So there is nothing to show about that. Hope you like my video. Please do subscribe and like my channel. Bye.